as you know, I went to the store nearby and I bought some stuff. I thought I would buy many more stuff, and I didn't know buy that much stuff because I had to go somewhere else too. So yeah, and I even have a surprise for you at the end that we are gonna make. So let's start. So let me just put this aside and take off. First, I bought this sketchbook. I did not show it to you in the video, but I did buy this sketchbook. It has 30 pages. Pages A4. This is like but super type of sketchbook. I like it, so yeah. So it's very good. It is only for sketching. I cannot do painting in this. Otherwise, especially watercolor, I cannot do it. Otherwise, the paint would come on the other page. And yeah. Then comes up some thermocol balls. Some thermocol balls, because we're going to do a craft later on that maybe with it. This thermocol ball. It has how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pieces. Got some detailed brush collection too. Just put this aside. From I don't know what this company's name is. Just tell me if you can pronounce it well, but I can't. It has 6 pieces, and all of them are really pretty. Just put this aside too. More stuff is still coming. This scale that I bought for my study is flexible. See, it has a protector. It is not a protector, it's like a scale. It's a protector over here. Protector and a flexible, simple scale. Then comes out this wooden log that we are gonna paint too. And white paint. Because I was running out of white. Main stuff. I bought a sandkit. I don't know why. I did not show it to you guys. When I was about to leave the store, I was just like seeing more stuff if I want to buy anything else, and I will just add a clip, make it, and just add a clip in my other video. But I was like, no, I'm gonna buy this, and I'm not gonna show it to my followers and stuff. So yeah, let's just unbox it. Well, let me show you. Rainbow slime kit, green packaging. Yeah. Now let's just 1, 2, 3. First comes up some googly eyes and some golden glitter. Let me just open it. Wow, open! Oh, this is so hard. Googly eyes. I think they forgot to some glitter. Glitter is gonna make a mess. Just more side. Some Orbeez that I'm not gonna add, and yeah, because once I buy this kit, then I was a bit younger, and I added some Orbeez and it just wasn't that much. Then comes up a spoon, plastic spoon, and a rice. Some glue and activator. I'm gonna just keep this activator and use it a little bit because we are gonna make more slime in the future. Oh my god. Sorry, thermocol balls. So, yeah. Now let's make it. Make it. So yeah, let me just put everything aside, and I'm working on the floor these days because if this gets dirty, then I will be able to clean it. But if it just does not get cleaned, if my desk does not get clean, then I'm going to be scolded by my mom. So guys, can you please wait for me for a second? I'm just gonna bring a bowl which I can do this. And they did not give any instructions. Let me just check. No instruction. I did not get instructions. Hey guys, you can wait, right? You know my father is patient. Let me just bring some and ignore my feet. Thank you for the waiting, guys. I have bring a bowl. I'm only gonna make a little bit to save for my siblings too. Okay, so let's just open it. Cannot open it. Guys, I cannot open it. Let me ask my mom to open it just for me. Can you please wait for a second too? Thank you for waiting, and also sorry for waiting because I did not want you to wait for that. My mom opened it for me. Do you know how much to add? I'm just gonna add a little bit in the spoon. One. I'm only gonna add this much. I'm gonna make this much slime for now. Then we will. I hope I don't add a lot of activator. See, I can open this, but I couldn't even open that. Yeah. Let's just take one and two. And I think I should add more glue. Yeah, more glue. Yeah, this is enough. Let's close it. I think I should use this. No, I think I should not. I'm making slime for the first time in front of the camera, which is super exciting. Guys, it is forming into slime. I'm happy. I am really happy. I did not expect that from. I think more glue would be it, cause yeah. And guys, oh my goodness, that's enough. I think that's enough. There were even more colors, but my favorite color is green, so that's why I bought the green. But I thought there would be only clear slime. I mean clear glue, and then we would have to put our own color of paint in it. But guys, should we add glitter? Guys, I'm very happy. See, many people when they make slime, they also use it, play with it. Oh my goodness, I think more activator needed because I added a little bit too much glue. Maybe I should do like this and it will just no, it didn't. Well, but the texture of the slime is pretty good. And maybe in the next video I will add some shaving foam to make it a little bit puffy. Okay, we are only gonna add why did I add this much? Let's just add the rest because maybe it can be a lot. I think a slime is guys, it is turning into slime. Oh my god. When I was little, I used to try to make slime, but I always failed. I saw many videos where they used to, because as you know, without activator, slime cannot be finished. It will just be glue, glitter, sprinkles, stuff. So I did not know a way to find activator. And I was always crying and finding videos where to make slime, how to make slime without activator. But today I found activator, and actually I went to the store and my mom was the one to find this kit and stuff. So yeah, the door just opened and closed. Yeah, my mom was like, Robbie, look, it's your dream. And I was like, Mom, you found it. And I was like, bro. Just, yeah. Maybe we should add glitters to make it sparkly. I'm not gonna add the Orbeez. Otherwise, this line will turn very, very yucky. Guys, I'm telling you, I have tried this once. My friend, when I was little, my friend had this kit. She was like, we were small, so we did not know what to do. And in this kit, there was the same kit. I cannot believe. Still, these sets come. Guys, now it's so sparkly. Yeah, because my floor is always clean. I always keep it clean. Guys, if you cannot see the shimmers, then what are you even... Now you can see the shimmers. Guys, I am in love. Next time if I ever in future make a video about slime, I'm definitely gonna add shaving cream in this, and this will be so nice, and I will even buy more clear glue to make our own color of slime, not only yellow. Now bye guys, meet you yesterday. Meet you tomorrow. Sorry guys, I always make these mistakes, I don't know why. Bye.